caregiver in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
How does computer technology help you in your work as a OFW?
Computer technology helps me a lot, especially in communication. I use my phone and laptop to stay connecting with my employer and my family in the Philippines. It makes my work easier and less stressful.
What
Next.
communication tools do you usually use?
I usually use message, WhatsApp, emails, and video calls. And sometimes I also use Zoom when attending online seminars or FWs.
How important is communication through computers to you?
It is very important because I am far from my family. Through video calls and chat, I can still see and talk to them every day. I reduce homesickness and makes me feel closer to them. Yes,